Hello guys, here I'll implement the front end of the Spring Boot security, which I have already introduced. The Spring Boot security using in-memory authentication and the Bcrypt password security. This is the front end using Angular. The total. Let's get started. We take the Angular repository, Angular folder. Here type cmd. We create a ng new project, ng new Spring Boot security. So the project is being created. We have to wait for a little time. Here it asked about the if you like to add the routing. I added as and style sheet I added as CSS. So so the program is created. Then I will have to get into the Spring Boot security program folder. Then type here cmd. Then you need to open the command prompt. Here we have to generate the components. The command for the generating component is ngc component name. The first will be admin login. The second component will be ngc admin user. It will be for the creating the user, adding or CRUD for the user. Then we will create a user login page. User login. ngc user login. Then we will create a user profile page. User profile. These are the four components we need in the program. We need in the Angular application. Then we will create a service nggs Spring Security. It will be the service name. Okay, our service is created. Then we will open the Visual Studio Code. We will open the project in the Visual Studio Code. Here click on the file and open folder. Take the open folder. Select it from the desktop or from where you create the application. Select folder. Okay, now we have created the four components and Spring security service files. So we will create the take the app.component.html and delete all this. except the router outlet. So, and save the file. Then we will change the upload module.ts. Here we have to add the HTTP client imports in the imports. HTTP client. Homes module. It is HTTP client module. Just copy and paste it here because HTTP client is not being imported automatically. Write it. Command slash HTTP. Rename it as HTTP client module. HTTP client module. So the import is correct. Correct. You have to add the service provider here. Insecurity service. And save the file. So our app.module.ts module.ts file is ready. Now we will change the app.module.routing app.routing.module.ts. So in the app.routing.module, I have to write admin, admin login. So this is our app routing module.ts looks like. So we'll go to the component classes. So our app routing module.ts look like this. Then we will add a following code to the service.ts. We will add the constructor as private HTTP client, then post user, update user, and get user by username, get user by ID, delete user, get user by uname, update user profile, and then the login for authentication. This code will be added to the services.ts. Then we will I have already added the done the code, so I have got it from the GitHub. I have already done the project using the user, and I have reused the code in the services. Same way, I have added the code in the admin login component.html, then admin login component.ts. This is the code how it looks like. Then I have added the code to the admin user.component.ts, component.html. This is a sample program, a sample demonstration. So I have used a list for field only. Then this is the admin component.ts, admin user component.ts. There will be a post user, update user, delete user, and subscribe by ID. Also, the get users will be in the ng on it. Then I have added the code to the user login.html, user login.component.html, and user login.component.ts. This only two or three functions are here, but since it is a sample demonstration, I have only added this sample functions only. Then the user profile.component.ts looks like this. And user profile.component.ts looks like this. We have added only a get function in here in the ng on it. So automatically it will get the user details and display it in the profile. Then I have added a gsearch class. Gsearch class, it is only a number. It has only a number. A as a number. Then user class, it is the user class. Then the services.ts. Then services.ts looks like this. Don't worry guys, I have added the code in the GitHub link. You can reuse it and refer to it if you have any doubt. So the Angular application is ready. We will just test it in the Google Chrome. So for the command for the running the Angular application is ngserve -hyphen open. So our application is here. I will add the password for the admin. It is admin, and password will be admin143. Admin login. So I have already added uh, two details. I will add one more. Run at inmate.com, and password will be also around. It's right. Refresh the browser. I got it in, got the added the arrow, and I will get it by search, and I will delete it. So the reverse the process, and you will see that the 5 UID number 5 will be deleted. So that is how it works. So we have added two codes, two users. I log out and you log in using the user login, using password and username. It will be Aaron. Password will, so the user logged in, and the user profile details are declared here, given here. So our application works fine. Thank you for this video, guys. Hope you all like this. Please like and subscribe the channel if you like the video. The code to the program is given in the GitHub link below the description. In the description below, so you guys can check it out. Both the backend and both the Spring Boot code and the Angular code are given. So this is how a in-memory authentication with the Bcrypt password security is in and full stack application is done. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe this channel if you like this. Thank you.